Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm going to do this beautiful makeup look, and honestly it's kind of giving Morticia. Imagine if I had a black top on. This would give straight Morticia vibes. I can't do a deep voice, I'm sorry. Anyway, I didn't want it for it to be this dramatic, but it is what it is, okay? It's super easy, so if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful villain like makeup look, then keep on watching. I already have the tape and I applied the Louise eyeshadow base. I'm going to start with black, and I know black, wow, scary, but don't be scared. I'm using very tiny detailed brushes like this one, and I'm going to start slowly. Let me just blend this a little bit more. I'm going to start very close to the tape right here. Next I'm going to take a very small pencil brush, but it's a little bit more fluffy, if that makes sense, and I'm going to blend this upwards. I want a very diffused black. Okay, that looks almost perfect. Next, I'm going to take a little bit more of this black, and I'm going to kind of cut the crease here, whatever you guys call it. So I'm going to do a straight line like this, and again, don't be scared. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can use smaller brushes like this one, but since I already have this one, I'm gonna work with it. I'm telling you, don't be scared. It doesn't have to be perfect. With a very similar brush, I'm going to pick this dark purple shade, and I'm going to go above the black and kind of blend them together to achieve that ombre effect. I'm going to try to leave the center of my lid as clean as possible, but if you can't achieve that, just go back with a little bit of eyeshadow base. Again, I'm taking my pencil brush and I'm going to wipe it on my brush cleanser, whatever this is called, and then I'm going to buff this dark purple. Then I'm going to pick the purple with this brush, and I know it doesn't make sense, but trust the process. Okay, that looks almost perfect. Again, I'm going to take a very similar brush to the first one we used, and I'm going to pick this beautiful bright purple shade. It's called Hibiscus. It's so bright and beautiful, and I'm going to try to blend that into the darker purple. Okay, you can even tell that we used black. Next I'm going to go with this shade. It's like a very beautiful lilac color. It's called Bikini, and I'm using a brush like this one. I don't know how to explain it. This is the detail shader, okay? And I'm going to place this right in the center. And you don't have to be precise, just place this in the center and try to blend it with the purple shades. And it's gonna look like this, okay? Don't panic, because you're gonna go back with the brushes that you used with the previous shades and try to blend those together. Okay, so don't panic, because it doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna go with some glitter on top, and no one will know. No one will have to know our little secret. You can use your fingers if you want to. If you feel like you need to build a little bit the colors, go back and build them up, but I'm kind of happy with how they look right now. I mean, it's very similar to what we did on the other eye. I'm going to blend them just a little bit more, and I think we are done with the matte shades. We still have to do the bottom lash line, but next I'm going to mix the Inglot Duraline liquid with this beautiful flakes from Kaima Cosmetics. It's called Phoenix. I have it mixed right here, and I'm going to line the upper part. That's why I said it doesn't have to be perfect, because we're gonna hide it with this glitter, and it won't look perfect, but we are not looking for perfection here, okay? Oh no, this is already dry. Okay, that will do. Next I'm going to go with my NYX Glitter Primer. I forget the names of these products. And on top of that I'm going to go with Prophetic, also from Kaima Cosmetics. And I know it looks white, but you can totally see that it's gonna transfer purple on my eyelid. And with my finger I'm going to place it right in the center. With the same finger I'm going to pick the Prophetic eyeshadow. Okay, we need a little bit more than that. Wow, that's so freaking beautiful. I'm sorry, camera's not focusing. I know it looks like glitter on camera, but it's not glitter, it's flakes. Okay, so basically that's it. This is the makeup, you guys. Easy peasy. As I said, they don't have to look very blended, because the center of the eyelid will be the star of the show, and no one, I'm telling you, no one will have time to look closely at your eyeshadows to see if they're blended or not, or to analyze these lines, if they're straight, if they're perfect. No one will have time for that, because of the center of the lids. They're so sparkly and so shiny. Let's see how straight this is. Oh my goodness, beautiful, perfection, amazing. I'm going to do my face makeup and be right back to finish the underline. What? Under eye. Oh my, I can't talk. The bottom lash line. Wow. And now let's do the bottom lash line. Again, I'm going to start with a little bit of black, and I'm going to apply it mostly in this area. Okay, that's it. So I'm not gonna connect them at the end of my eye. I don't know why, I don't want to connect them, okay? Next I'm going with the darker purple. I think I went crazy with that black. My bad. We're gonna make this work. No worries. And to blend everything together, I'm using the bright purple shade. And this one I'm going to go a little bit further, and I'm going to create that little tail, if you want to call it like that. Now I'm going to take a very small brush, a very small brush like this one. This is the smudger, and and I'm going to slowly buff these out. You don't want to go crazy, but you still want to make them look a little bit blended. Oh my god, by the way, you guys, this video is going live today in like a few hours. I mean, if I have enough time to edit and post it at my usual hour, which is 8 p.m. European, Central European time. If not, I'm going to post it a little bit later. It's, oh my goodness, look what my brain did. So I picked this bright purple with the brush that I was blending these colors out. It's okay, I'm going to clean it. You see, like, I can't get distracted. You guys distract me in a good way. I love you. So I'm going back with this bright purple. You can do that line like Should we? Oh, I kind of want to do that. Like to extend the line, but not to connect it with the... Oh my goodness, I think I want to do that. Let's try. You guys, this looks so freaking beautiful. And for lashes, I'm using the Ardell 600 black. And basically that's it. I don't know what to do with my lips. I kind of want to leave them a little bit more nude, if that makes sense, like without going with lip liner or just lip gloss. Oh my goodness. Let me zoom you a little bit out because the lighting is not the best. You guys, I kind of went a little bit crazy. I really wanted this to be as simple as possible, but I went a little bit crazy with the bottom lash line and these tiny little accent lashes. I think it brings this to the next level because it looked a little bit basic, if I say so myself. So wow, I really like how easy it was and how like sophisticated it looks. It looks sophisticated, isn't it? On my lips I went with some gloss, and you won't guess what is this. You won't guess, like ever. You know, I bought the Jelly Wow lip oil from Shiglam and it was almost over, and I said I won't be giving up on this packaging because I do really like the applicator, and I said let me just put some Vaseline in it, and I did. I mixed it with this Espa oil. This is like detoxifying body oil, so I mixed Vaseline with this oil and then I added a pinch of this sparkle in there. Oh my goodness, this feels so luxurious on my lips. I love this. It looks different. It looks like I'm a villain. Am I the villain? Of course not. But if you want me to be the villain, I'll be the villain for you. Alright, beautiful people, so this is the finished result. I honestly adore how this turned out, and in my opinion I think it's super easy to achieve, and as I said, the eyeshadows doesn't need to be like extremely blended because the center of the eyelid is like the star of the show. What? The star of the show. The show of the star. Brain is not braining right now. Help. Oh my goodness, brain is not braining. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below. Would you recreate this look? I'm telling you, it was super easy. You saw it. You saw it. You saw it. I can't fake it. I can't fake it. You saw it. It was super easy. So let me know if you guys would give this a try. Also, let me know. Like, it's giving Morticia, but with a hint of color, right? With this hair, and I should have like a black top on. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think down below, and again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm burping. Okay.